Healthy smoothie. Tropical mango smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mango chunks, fresh or frozen. 1/2 banana. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup orange juice. 1/2 cup coconut milk. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Ice cubes. Place the mango chunks, banana, Greek yogurt, orange juice, coconut milk, and honey in a blender. Blend until smooth. Add ice cubes and blend again until you reach your desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Tips for making smoothies. One, balance your ingredients. Include a mix of fruits, vegetables, protein, yogurt, protein powder, nuts, and healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds. 2. Add superfoods. Boost your smoothie with superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, spirulina, or matcha powder. 3. Use frozen fruits. Frozen fruits can make your smoothie thicker and colder without needing ice. 4. Sweeten naturally. Use fruits or a small amount of honey or maple syrup for sweetness rather than sugar. 5. Blend well. Make sure to blend your smoothie until it's completely smooth to ensure all ingredients are well mixed. Enjoy these healthy smoothies as a nutritious breakfast, snack, or post-workout refreshment. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.